has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort Bend County in Texas, extreme southwestern Harris County in Texas, extreme southeastern Lawler County in Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Brookshire and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mission Bend, Sugarland, Pecan Grove, Stafford, Town West, Meadows, and Fulshare. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for southeastern Texas.